Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Xbox account you want to change. Once signed in, go directly to Settings, then choose Account and Privacy and Online Safety. This is where Message Controls live. Make sure to open the Messaging or Communications section. This separates chat from notifications. You want to act now so changes apply. Doing this on console versus Xbox app is similar, but note that you may need to confirm your email or passkey before advancing to message options. Now you'll change the concrete controls. Set who can message you to friends or blocked, depending on how strict you need to be. Once done, disable message previews and turn off chat notifications so incoming messages don't interrupt gameplay. Make sure to review the blocked senders list and add any repeat offenders. This reduces future noise. If you want to stop all contact, set messaging to blocked. However, consider friends and party invites separately so you don't lose essential invites. To finish, save your settings, then sign out and sign back in so the changes propagate across devices. Once complete, test with a secondary account or ask a friend to send a message. That verifies the behavior. If messages still appear, make sure your console and Xbox app are synced, check that you edited the correct profile, and confirm Xbox Live services are operational. If settings reset, clear cache or update the console/app. Those steps often fix stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.